Hi guys, it's your coach. And today I'm gonna show you the 5 things that you need to do to make her never stop thinking about you. These 5 things are not just things that you have to do once or twice. No, these are habits. They are patterns of behaviors that you should be embodying all the time because they are who you are. So if you really want to know how to make her addicted to you, then pay close attention because I'm only going to say this once. Let's begin with number 1. Number 1, you are a man with a purpose. You see, in order for a woman to respect you and to think about you all the time, you have to be a man with a mission. Now, this doesn't mean that you literally have to be a spy or a secret agent, but it does mean that you have to have a clear sense of direction. You have to have a goal that you're working towards. A man with a purpose is a man who knows what he wants and goes after it relentlessly. He's not easily distracted by the trivial things in life. He's focused, driven, and determined to succeed. This is the type of man that women are naturally drawn to. The kind of guy who has his own passions, who knows what he wants to achieve and works hard to make it happen. Women want a man who's ambitious and driven, not someone who's lazy and unmotivated. We're not saying that you need to be a workaholic and never take time for yourself or for the woman that you're with. But having a healthy balance between work and play is key. When you're with a woman, you should be fully present and enjoying her company. But when it's time to focus on your goals, you need to be able to turn it on and get to work. So if you want to make her never stop thinking about you, be a man with a purpose. Develop your goals, pursue your dreams, and let your actions speak louder than words. Number 2 is that you are a great listener. Now, many guys think that in order to impress a woman, they need to talk about themselves a lot. But this couldn't be further from the truth. Women love a man who is a good listener because it shows that he's interested in them and cares about what they have to say. Being a good listener doesn't mean that you have to agree with everything she says. It just means that you hear her out, that you understand her perspective, and that you can see things from her point of view. This is an incredibly powerful way to connect with a woman and make her feel loved and appreciated. So if you want to make her never stop thinking about you, listen more and talk less. Pay attention to what she says and ask follow-up questions. Show her that you're genuinely interested in her and that you care about her thoughts and feelings. This is an incredibly powerful way to create a deep connection with a woman that will make her think of you long after you've gone. Number 3 is that you are a challenge. Now, here's the reality. Women are not attracted to men who are easy to get. We find men who are a little bit of a challenge much more desirable. This might seem counterintuitive, but it's actually very simple psychology. When we meet someone new, our natural instinct is to want to figure them out, to try to understand them and predict their behavior. But when someone is a challenge, when they're not so easy to read, we become intrigued and curious. We want to know more, and we're willing to put in the effort to figure them out. This is what makes a man attractive to women, the challenge. It's not about being dishonest or playing games. It's about being genuine and true to yourself, while still leaving a little bit of mystery. So if you want to make her never stop thinking about you, don't be afraid to be a challenge. Don't reveal everything about yourself right away. Keep her guessing and make her work a little bit for your affection. She'll appreciate the challenge, and it will make her think of you in a much more positive light. Number 4 is that you don't chase her. Now, this is perhaps the most important tip of all. It's the difference between being a man and being a boy. When you're chasing a woman, you're sending her the message that you're desperate and that you're not confident in your own worth. You're essentially telling her that you're not good enough for her and that you need her more than she needs you. This is the worst thing you could ever do if you want to make her never stop thinking about you. Instead, you need to be the one who's wanted, the one who's desired. And that's where confidence comes in. Confidence is key. It's what sets men apart from boys. When you're confident, you believe in yourself. You know that you're worthy of love and respect and that you deserve the best in life. And when you exude confidence, women can't help but take notice. They want to be with someone who is secure in himself, who knows what he wants and isn't afraid to go after it. So if you want to make her never stop thinking about you, don't chase her. Be confident, believe in yourself and know that you have something special to offer. Let her come to you and let her desire you. She'll never stop thinking about you. Number 5 is that you are confident in your masculinity. Now, women are attracted to masculine men. It's just the way we're wired. We want a man who's strong, protective, and capable. We want a man who can lead and take charge. This doesn't mean that you have to be aggressive or overbearing. It just means that you're secure in your masculinity and that you know how to use it to protect and provide for those around you. When you walk into a room, you exude confidence and power. Your presence is felt, and that's what makes you so attractive to women. They want to be with a man who is comfortable in his own skin, who knows his strengths and isn't afraid to use them. So if you want to make her never stop thinking about you, be confident in your masculinity. Know your worth and don't be afraid to use your power for good. You are a king, and she is lucky to have you in her life. So there you have it, the 5 things that you need to do to make her never stop thinking about you. But remember, these are not just things you do once or twice. They are habits, patterns of behaviors that you should embody at all times. If you truly want to become the kind of man who makes women think about him constantly, then you need to commit to these behaviors day in and day out. It won't be easy, but nothing worthwhile ever is. But if you stick to it, if you remain focused and committed to becoming the best version of yourself possible, then you will see results. You will make her never stop thinking about you. Now, before we go, I want to remind you of something. Don't use these tips to manipulate or control women. Use them to become the best version of yourself possible. That's where your true power lies. And that's all I have for you today. Until next time, thank you for watching.